Feedback. How important is feedback? We have a quote in English that says, practice makes perfect. But practice without feedback makes permanent. Meaning, we keep on repeating our mistakes if no one gives us feedback. And it's very crucial to give constructive feedback, which is totally different from criticism. Criticism has a negative connotation, while feedback has a positive connotation. One model of feedback could be the SBI, situation, behavior, and impact. For example, Muhammad was in a meeting, and during that meeting, he kept on interrupting one of his colleagues, which impacted the whole understanding and communication of the team. So we bring Muhammad into the room, we have a one-on-one discussion, we give feedback not on the person, we don't target the person, but we target the behavior and the situation. So first, the situation was the meeting, being in a meeting and interrupting one of the colleagues was the behavior, and then the impact was misunderstanding because the communication was not clear. So we focus on the situation, on the behavior, and the impact on that behavior on the team itself. This is how we can give constructive feedback without hurting the feelings of the other person, because it's not about him, nor his characteristics, nor his personality, but about the situation and a certain behavior that was triggered and the impact of that behavior. And of course, we have to come up with an action plan at the end that can help Muhammad implement whatever room for improvement was given, so we can have a better meeting next time.